Hey guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we are going to talk about create a talking AI avatar Canva. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. Head onto Canva's website or simply search canva.com onto your local browser. Now, once you're in there, just simply log in or sign up using your Google account or your email and password. And once you're in, you should be redirected onto this page. So once you're in this page already, what you'll need to do is head on here onto the left side. So you'll just need to search for this app in here. So you'll need to click onto it, and right after, you should be redirected onto this page. So you can see the different apps in here that can be used in Canva. So what you'll need to do is we'll need to utilize the search bar to find it easily. So let's try to type in here Narrow AI, then click on to enter. Now, as you can see, we have your one result or one app, which is Avatars by Narrow AI. So this is the one that we're going to use. Simply click onto it, and you should be able to see that this was created by Narrow.ai and the description in here. So this will help you generate video avatars with human-like features and micro expressions that accurately represents your brand script or audio speech. So you can customize a voice of AI avatar to match the speaker's persona. So you could use this in existing design and use it in new design. So by using this app, you should agree to its terms and conditions and privacy policy. So let's simply click on to use a new design, and you'll have an option in here to select what you would like to create. So you can have it on custom size, Facebook post or Facebook cover, or many more. You can just simply search in here, but we're gonna use it for a video. So we'll simply click onto video in here, and then you should be able to get redirected on Canva's editing page. Now here onto this page, the first thing that you'll need to do is to pick an avatar. So there are different options that you could choose in here. So we could choose this one, this girl. So just simply click onto that. And if you scroll down in here, you should type in what you should want them to say. Well, let's just paste in here anything that you want to say, or you could type in there. So let's just try to fix this one, since an AI will try to say this as well. So you could select a language right after. So let's just leave it as US English, and there are different choices. So we have this one, this one, this one, and this one. So you could try just clicking the first one in here, and then right after, you could also do a preview speech in here to hear what it will say. And then right after, once you're satisfied, just simply click on create your video. So while generating this, it would usually takes about a minute. So you'll just need to wait so that you'd be able to see the generated video. Now, as you can see, it is actually successfully added. So you could resize this one out to make it bigger. Then you could do a quick preview. And once you're done, just simply click onto the share button in here and then click on the download. So you'll have an option in there to choose a file type. So let's leave it as MP4 video, and let's simply click onto download to save it into your device. So once it is downloaded, so here is the video.
Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we have talked about create a talking AI avatar in Canva. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on our next video.